Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing 25 topics to learn and master if you want to become a skillful ethical hacker using the Python programming language. If you're serious about hacking the right way, don't skip this. These are the topics to focus on if you truly want to be a hacker. Now let's get started. 1. Learn Python basics. 2. Learn control flow in Python. 3. Learn Python functions and modules. 4. Learn data structures. 5. Learn file input-output and parsing in Python. 6. Learn regular expressions. 7. Learn exception handling and logging. 8. Learn object-oriented programming in Python. 9. Learn virtual environments and packaging. 10. Learn networking fundamentals in Python. 11. Learn HTTP and web. 12. Learn web scraping and automation. 13. Learn Python concurrency. 14. Learn binary and process interaction. 15. Learn packet crafting and sniffing. 16. Learn SSH, FTP, SMTP automation. 17. Learn authentication and hashing. 18. Learn Python cryptography. 19. Learn PCAP, network analysis. 20. Learn how to interact with tools in Python, especially terminal-based tools. 21. Learn exploit automation and post-exploitation. 22. Learn and understand how operating systems work, e.g. Windows, Mac OS, Linux. 23. Learn how cyber attacks work and their mitigation. 24. Learn testing and labs. Build hands-on projects in virtual labs, CTFs, vulnerable VMs. 25. Learn ethics and laws, responsible disclosure, scope, and permission. Quick wrap-up. Follow this roadmap step by step. Master the basics first, then move toward networking, tooling, and safe exploit work in labs. If you found this roadmap useful, practice every day and stay curious. Real skill comes from hands-on practice. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the deep dive videos for each topic. See you in the next video.